guys, I haven't asked you this in a long time, but how is quarantine doing? I think it's about to end, so hooray. And I have a big announcement. I just opened a Facebook page. It's called Shreshta's Awesome Videos. And you can search Shreshta's Awesome Videos, or you can search my username, which is @ShreshtaNayak2020. So, anyway, I'll tell you more about it at the end of the video, so make sure to keep watching. But today, I'm going to be showing you how to make like a McDonald's style strawberry milkshake. So it's not going to be sour or anything, because sometimes when you make fruit smoothies, they become sour if you leave it for a little bit. So I'm going to show you how to make it sweet. So a bonus I'm making it at home instead of buying it at McDonald's is you know what ingredients are there, so you don't have to worry about if your McDonald's smoothie is way too unhealthy. Plus it has fruits in it, so it's guaranteed to be fresh. And I personally love the McDonald's style, so I couldn't go to McDonald's, so I decided to make it at home and share it with you guys. So now I'm going to move on to the ingredients. Our milk, ice cream, I like to use vanilla, and some fruits of your choice, but since I'm making a strawberry milkshake, I'm going to use some frozen strawberries. By the way, I use 6 to 7 strawberries, and I just cut them up. I have some sugar and some ice, which is currently melting at the moment, so it's very hot over here. And for topping, I'm going to use some whipped cream, and I'm also going to use some sprinkles. You don't have to use whipped cream and sprinkles. So let's get started. First, get your blender and just pour in your strawberries, all of them. Next, pour in your 1 cup of milk. Make sure the milk fully covers the strawberries. And next I'm going to add my ice cream. Make sure to do this fast, otherwise the ice cream will melt. It's kind of melted, but that's fine. Okay, now I'm going to add my 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, depending on your taste. Okay, so now I am going to put the ice in, and yeah, so it should look like this with all the ice and everything. And now I'm going to put it into the blender. So make sure to put on the lid. Now let's blend. So make sure not to blend for too long, and your smoothie is ready. Look how delicious it looks. Now I am going to pour it into a cup. There's much more left. You can make it for your whole family. So that's awesome. And now I'm going to add the toppings. You can add as much whipped cream as you want. Ooh, look at that masterpiece. So, since summer vacation is starting, I decided to make a summary video. And it's going to be awesome. Because on a hot summer day, all you want to do is refresh with a cold drink. So, this is how the final look looks. And now I'm going to finally try it. Oh my god, it tastes so good. It tastes exactly like McDonald's style. And while I'm enjoying this, you should make sure to like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.